In this video, I will show you how to align elements horizontally, vertically, or to another element. To show you this function, I will create some elements inside of my patterns, for example stripe lines, and I create them intentionally, not quite horizontal or vertical. This situation could happen to pieces you have quickly digitized. I do the same with the texts. The function that makes elements perfectly horizontal or vertical is in the menu Modify, Element Shape, and it's called Align. If we click on the element, which is quite horizontal with the left mouse button, it will be made horizontal. If you click on the element which is quite vertical, with the left mouse button, it will be made vertical. Pay attention to which side of the element the cursor is positioned. This side will be moved. The other point stays at the same place. You can click texts which are not exactly horizontal or vertical on the same way. Now I will show you the other possibility of the function align. You can align one element to another element. For example, this text should be parallel to my side seam. I click the text, the element to be aligned, with the right mouse button, and then my side seam, the element on which it has to be aligned, with the left mouse button.